The emotional ramifications stemming from the father's doubts profoundly impacted both Miss Boville and her mother, leaving them in a state of unawareness regarding his suspicions. This revelation sowed seeds of distress and confusion within the dynamic of their family structure. Mr. Boville's long-standing beliefs regarding his daughter's paternity are rooted in unresolved relationship issues and pervasive external gossip that permeated their family. Over time, these doubts intensified, particularly following discussions that hinted at possible infidelity prior to Miss Boville's birth. The absence of a father's name on Miss Boville's birth certificate only served to exacerbate the persistent uncertainties surrounding her paternity. This lack of representation prompted critical questions regarding Mr. Boville's commitment to his paternal responsibilities throughout her formative years. In a moment of introspection, the father acknowledges his failings and articulates an apology for his absence, which has undoubtedly inflicted pain upon his children. This admission symbolizes a yearning for reconciliation and healing within the familial unit. The daughter openly conveys the emotional toll wrought by the absence of a father figure, underscoring how this void has adversely shaped her self-worth and affected her relationships. She poignantly expresses the emotional turmoil experienced by both herself and her brothers. The courtroom drama intensifies as the daughter embarks on a quest for clarity regarding her lineage and seeks to uncover the truths surrounding her father's past relationships. This pursuit of identity inevitably adds layers of complexity to their already intricate family dynamics. In this evolving narrative, the speaker reflects on the discovery of a potentially lost brother through familial connections and photographs, a revelation that accentuates the confusion surrounding their lineage. This significant moment came to light back in 1999. The narrative progresses to a confrontation concerning a relationship entwined with moral complexities, particularly involving a married man. This revelation invites scrutiny regarding the ethical implications and emotional repercussions experienced by all individuals involved. In a surprising turn, the speaker discloses a lack of remorse regarding the affair, which reflects a complex emotional state coupled with an apparent dismissal of the repercussions for the family. This revelation raises significant ethical concerns regarding accountability and responsibility. Expressions of anger towards the late father's affair emerge, indicating the profound effect this betrayal had on family dynamics and personal lives. This complexity underscores a deep-seated pain stemming from estrangement, coupled with a yearning for meaningful connection. Visiting the grave of the deceased father transforms into an essential emotional outlet, illustrating how individuals frequently seek solace and closure through their connections with departed relatives. This practice embodies a desire to forge bonds despite physical absence. The discovery of a potential familial connection through a photograph ignites a spectrum of emotions, emphasizing how visual cues can bridge existing gaps in relationships. This pivotal moment signifies an important step towards understanding one's heritage. The daughter finds herself embroiled in a series of troubling incidents, including school altercations and an encounter with law enforcement. Such alarming behavior necessitates a thorough examination of her well-being and overall safety. Relationship dynamics within the family remain fraught with complications, marked by a history of resentment and misunderstanding. The daughter's upbringing, characterized by the absence of a stable maternal figure, significantly contributes to her current challenges. The mother expresses a fervent desire for her daughter to transcend the cycle of negative experiences, actively seeking support for the family. This commitment underscores a profound emphasis on securing a brighter future for her grandchildren. The emotional weight of losing a loved one, particularly a mother, resonates deeply with individuals, shaping their motivations and aspirations for the future. This context serves as a crucial backdrop throughout the ongoing court proceedings. The court asserts that biological connections do not solely dictate familial bonds. Rather, the essence of love plays a critical role in the art of parenting. This perspective encourages all involved to prioritize emotional ties over mere genetic links. Attention is drawn to the significance of support systems and resources for new parents. The court aspires to provide essential guidance to ensure that children receive the love and care they rightfully deserve. Miss Cameron expresses concerns about the child's paternity, citing discrepancies in pregnancy timelines alongside her brother's absence. This uncertainty serves to heighten tensions within the family, emphasizing the need for clarity. The relationship between Miss Cameron and the deceased was characterized by aspirations for a shared family, yet the current circumstances have engendered confusion and distress regarding the child's legitimacy. Family members express apprehension surrounding Miss Cameron's potential motivations for claiming benefits for the child, leading to conflicts fueled by questions about her intentions and the validity of her assertions regarding paternity. An ultrasound image elicits a profound emotional response, perceived as a spiritual message from the late Jackie, suggesting his continued presence. This belief provides a measure of comfort to those still grieving. Testimonies presented include allegations of infidelity, raising questions about the child's legitimacy, though friends of the mother contest these claims, advocating for her fidelity during the relationship. This situation adds further complexity to the paternity dispute. The necessity of establishing paternity emerges as a pivotal concern, directly influencing the child's eligibility for important benefits. This situation underscores the critical nature of resolving such disputes, revealing broader implications for the families involved. Mr. Wallace's prior experiences significantly shape his perspectives on fatherhood and relationships, illustrating the vital role of positive male figures in a child's life. These influences markedly affect his decisions regarding his own progeny. The emotional discord between the two women illustrates the multifaceted nature of love, betrayal, and trust as they navigate their connections with Mr. Wallace amid serious allegations of infidelity. The ongoing paternity dispute serves as a microcosm of larger societal issues concerning parental responsibility and accountability, fostering a deeper examination of the broader implications for all parties involved. Feelings of betrayal are palpable as one party openly expresses their distress over feeling abandoned for another relationship. This emotional turmoil propels the discourse forward. The conversation naturally progresses to the intricate challenges of co-parenting, where unresolved emotions further complicate familial dynamics. Each individual's perspective adds depth and nuance to the ongoing conflict. The discussion highlights the indispensable need for personal growth and maturity within relationships, suggesting that one individual may not yet be fully prepared for commitment. This readiness, or lack thereof, has a significant impact on all parties involved. The aunt articulates a profound emotional bond with her nephew, revealing how this connection aids in her healing process following the loss of her brother. This relationship becomes essential in navigating her grief. Uncertainties surrounding paternity further complicate family dynamics, generating tension among relatives. The aunt insists on uncovering the truth before she can fully embrace the newborn into the family fold. The courtroom backdrop underscores the critical importance of family bonds and the pervasive influence of grief on interpersonal relationships. Discussions gravitate towards responsibilities and the collective desire to support the child. Marissa's disorientation regarding her pregnancy and the subsequent DNA tests exemplifies the complexities of navigating personal relationships and familial responsibilities, emphasizing the necessity for clarity and accountability. The discourse surrounding the naming of baby Ryan encapsulates the delicate balance between honoring a deceased loved one and acknowledging the arrival of new life. This situation reflects a profound emotional conflict within the family. In the aftermath of the DNA test results, a blend of relief and sorrow emerges, reaffirming the family's interconnectedness despite the tragedy of losing Ryan. This outcome illustrates the enduring nature of love, even in the face of loss.